Okay, let's go through one of the first upgrades you should do on your bikes, which is one of the best upgrades you can do, and that's swapping out these stock pegs for a set of Warp 9 foot pegs. For this job, we're simply just going to need a flathead screwdriver, a punch, and a hammer. So what we do is we've got a circlip here that we're going to remove. I'm going to put my thumbnail on one side of it and then a finger behind it, because these things like to go shooting across the shop floor. We use a flathead screwdriver and push against the pin like that. That's going to come out, the washer is going to come off. I'm just going to remove the peg to show this to you a little easier. This is the clip that we're trying to get off, and so what I do is just kind of hook my fingernail on one side and use a screwdriver on the other, and we're going to try and pry it off like that. Now we've got the pin that runs through here, and this is where I like to use a punch and a hammer, and we'll just tap that pin out. I put a thumb over there because that spring's going to want to fly off of here once I remove the punch. There we go, and there comes that spring. Make note of the orientation of the spring on here. So you've got the hooked side facing down that's going to connect in there, and you've got the little tab that'll hit the peg bracket there. So we'll take this off, just back the pin out enough there, keep the pin close by. Now we've got our new foot peg, so I'm going to put the spring in that same way. This is going to contact, the spring is going to contact the foot peg here. This hook is going to catch the bracket, and so we will position it, pull that pin out, position it, make sure that the spring hook's there. We've got our pin to go back in. Make sure that everything is lining up. And start to work the pin through the spring and the bracket. And we've got it coming out the back side there. Now I'm going to grab that washer. The washer has a flat side with kind of a sharper edge and then a rounded side. We're going to go flat side against the bracket. Same thing with the circlip. It's got a flat side and a rounded side. Flat side's going to go against the washer. And if you can clip it on with your fingernail, good. Now I'm just going to use a screwdriver here to pop it back on. Check the articulation is correct, your spring is set, and you're ready to go.